It's another beautiful Monday morning, and you guys know what Monday morning is all about. Monday morning is our grow party where we come together and grow as individuals. First, if you have not joined our Telegram group, you are wrong. That is for those ones looking for subscribers. And secondly, if you have not joined our WhatsApp channel, you are doing yourself more harm than good, because very soon we are going to be dropping updates on that particular WhatsApp group or our WhatsApp channel that we can't just drop here. You understand? I know there are a lot of things that we want to say, but sometimes we can't even say it here. First, hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel It Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments. Lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's dive right into this video. I get a lot of complaints on my live stream, especially on my live stream. Sonia, my subscribers are dropping. Sonia, what is happening? Sonia, this person is not doing it well. Sonia, this person is doing... Guys, these are some of the things that you will definitely encounter at someone that wants to achieve 1,000 subscribers, or at someone that wants to make money on this said YouTube street. Now, let me make this clear for every one of you to really understand. No matter where you get your subscribers from, right, YouTube is definitely going to remove some subscribers, and YouTube will call those subscribers inactive subscribers. Yes, even during my time it happened to me. Even till now it happens to me. Sometimes you sleep with 300 and something subscribers, and sometimes you wake up with you wake up with less than what you slept with, or you wake up with higher than what you slept with. Either ways, but I just want to tell you that YouTube will definitely remove your subscribers, which is YouTube calling the inactive subscribers. But notwithstanding, some persons can personally still unsubscribe from your channel. Like once they feel like the vibes you're giving them is no longer vibing, they will go ahead to unsubscribe from your channel. Or when they feel like you are not really doing to them what they are doing to you. Like there are different instances whereby your subscribers are being taken down. But in all of this, these are things that should keep you strong and keep you more on your toes. You understand? And another thing I want to say again is, for those of you that want to connect through the comment section, even if you go to other content creators' comment section, do not do it the wrong way. Because if you do it the wrong way, that's why I keep emphasizing on doing it the wrong way. If you do it the wrong way, the person is at loss here. You understand? Instead of trying to grow up to 100 subscribers, you're dragging that person back to 90 subscribers, or even 80 subscribers, or even 97 subscribers. And that's really not fair. Now, how do you do these things right so that you don't get to start dragging someone back? I always tell myself, do to others what you want them to do to you. That's just the thing. Do to others what you want them to do to you. So anything you're doing to others is what they will definitely do to you. So the first thing you need to do is to watch their videos. Once you see anybody dropping comments, you watch that person's video first. You watch the video from beginning to the end. It will not take you anything to watch. Instead of connecting to hundreds of people at the same time. See, it's not even good for you to connect to so many people at the same time. At least you do it like 5 or 10 and give it like a space, like a gap. Then you're going to be achieving more. You understand? Now, when you're connecting, you watch that person's video from beginning to the end, then you're able to drop comments for that person according to that particular video. You don't go to that person's comment section and then you're shouting sub for sub. I'm connecting with you, connect with me back. I came from Vibe Sonia's channel. All of those things are things that you really want YouTube to mess up that person's channel, because YouTube will definitely know that there is a group party somewhere. But if you watch that person's video, you drop the comments according to that particular video, then you go ahead to subscribe, turn on notification bell. You understand? There is a strong engagement there. It will be very hard for YouTube to say, this person is an inactive subscribers, and let's go ahead and take it down. You get? And that person will have his or her subscribers intact. Now, another thing that might allow YouTube to be taking subscribers down is too much of everything is bad. Some persons will go ahead and be doing 150 at the same time. Yes, my comment section is always choked. And I know that because my comment section is only choked, a lot of people are just waiting for me to just drop videos so that they will come and choke the comment section more. But as much as you're seeing a lot of people dropping comments, right? You don't just need to get to all of them at the same time. At least 5 at a time, 10 at a time. You do it gradually, process and the rest of that. Before you know, you get your subscribers intact. If I am you, say if I'm doing, I'll do 5. And another 1 hour, I come back and do 5. Another 1 hour, I come back and do 5. You understand? But some persons want to do 50 the same time. You want to do 100 the same time. Tell me, why would want YouTube take those subscribers down? YouTube will take those subscribers down because definitely YouTube will know that this person that is not even getting subscribers at all, and now this person is, within a space of time, this person is getting like over 100 subscribers, 200 subscribers. Even if you want to get 1,000 subscribers, in my comment section today, you will get it. But the question is, will they stay? So instead of getting 1,000 subscribers today, and those 1,000 subscribers, YouTube is going to like take down 95% of it, it is better for you to do it gradually. That's what I always advise people. I don't know why people will still be people. Human beings will still be human beings. So please, if you're watching this video and you know that you're a diehard of Vibe with Sonia, ensure that you are adhering to instructions. Ensure that you are doing what you're supposed to do. Ensure that you're not so much at a time. You understand? It is very important so that what your subscribers can stay and anybody you're also subscribing to can also stay. And drop a comment according to that particular video. Don't come and drop a comment and say, oh, vibe on vibe. I'm coming from Vibe with Sonia. Who the hell is Vibe with Sonia? I keep telling you guys, who the hell is Vibe with Sonia? You get what I'm trying to say? So another thing again I would advise again, or that I will tell you in this grow party today is, if you have gotten 1,000 subscribers, please, this is not for you. I go to my Telegram group. I even have to complain this yesterday on my live stream. I go to my Telegram group, another account, so that I will see what is really happening there, to like tell someone, oh, let's connect for connect, or let's sub for each other. And I'll end up seeing that even in that my Telegram group, this set connects to connect. You'll find out that this person has over 2,000 subscribers, 3,000 subscribers, 1.5k subscribers. And some I personally chatted them up to say, you don't need subscribers. You don't need to accumulate subscribers down to your channel. It is not necessary, please. If you have gotten your 1,000 subscribers, what you need to focus more is focus on creating long form content and live streaming. I will keep saying it, long form content and live streaming, so that you can be able to accumulate your watch hour. Aside accumulating your watch hour, if you start getting people coming directly from your long form content and also your live streaming, honestly, when you're monetized, that is where you're going to be making the money. When you are monetized, that is where you're going to be making the money. So don't just get all of the 1,000 subscribers now, 4,000 watch hour, and at the end of the day, you have a lot of subscribers piled up in your channel without achieving any results. I will not advise that to anybody. So please, I begged you in the name of God, once you get your 1,000 subscribers, you are not supposed to be connecting. You can be in the Telegram group. Probably maybe you want to grow another new channel. I understand. But if you're there and you want to still grow your old channel that is up to 1,000 subscribers already, to be honest, I do not advise that. You understand? You're going to be causing more harm to your channel than good. You get? All what you should be looking out for is, how can I grow my organic audience now that I have 1,000 subscribers? And let me just put out a disclaimers here for those ones that will feel like, oh, what is she telling them? What is she doing? She's trying to destroy their channel. Please, I am not forcing anyone to do this. I beg in the name of God. Feel free, carry out your research, check what you want to check. If you feel you can do it, fine. If you can't do it, please move to the next part of the video. I have a lot of interesting video that can definitely interest you. So I don't want anybody come to my comment section to cry and start telling me that, oh, what you're doing is not good. You're telling them to grow the way that is not organic. It is your thinking, it is your mindset. I'm just sharing exactly how I was able to grow on this YouTube streets, and that's facts. You get? So please feel free to carry out your research before diving into it. And if you're still struggling with your YouTube channel, you don't even know what to do, you've tried everything possible for you to get your channel to the next level, but it is not going, this is where Sonia come into display for you. Okay, what do I personally go into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add, so that at the end of the day we are going to be achieving your aim. And this is me and you going into your channel to do this. So all you need to do is to check this flyers that is displaying on the screen at fitonoja3195@gmail.com. Send us a mail and tell us you want to enroll in our coaching class. Some persons even personally tell me, Sonia, just go into my channel, just help me, just check, is my settings okay, are my videos okay, are my thumbnails on point, and all of those things, so that we can use our expert eyes and check for you. We've been doing this for others, we can also do it for you. And if you have not even built channel at all, this is the first time you're coming across Sonia, this is the first time you're coming across my video, hi, my name is Sonia, and in this channel I help you grow and help you navigate YouTube the simplest way. So all you need to do is also check this flyer that is displaying on the screen, send us a mail, and let's take your channel from there. We build channel from scratch. We've done it for so many persons, so yours is definitely not going to be different. Anyways, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Start dropping comments and let the engagement begin, because it's Monday. Go and upload videos. Never give up on your YouTube channel, no matter, like I said, no matter what. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye for now. I love you.